Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. I would like to start the analysis today with the dominance of Bitcoin, of course, just to show that we have finished first our wave 5 when 1, 2, 3, 4 and F5, and probably, of course, inside this triangle we are looking, of course, now for lower for Bitcoin dominance, and we can consider that now, Bitcoin might start to face some weaknesses against the altcoin, and that means, of course, the altcoin might be much more green than Bitcoin in the next days or weeks, right? So yeah, be careful. Let's watch this, and yeah, let's move to the Bitcoin. So on the Bitcoin, as you know, we are still in our scenario yesterday that we saw, of course, a little bit drop towards the downside on the 1 hour chart. However, it did not fall 100% yet, and we're gonna estimate what's going on here. First, let's see this a little bit on the daily and see what's going on. Of course, on the daily, we are still, if we are bullish, of course, the scenario is still open. We're not bearish yet totally. Of course, the bullish still has a chance. The bull run is a triple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 and a 5, and probably another 4 and a 5. Yeah, this is the first scenario that you can have in triple 4, triple 4, 5. So we possibly can still have a deeper wave 4, very probably. It can be an A B and a C as well for one big wave 4, A, B, and a C, who is an expanding flat, right? 3 waves down, 3 waves up. 3 waves up. This has to be, of course, your wave C here because it is an impulse. So therefore, A, B, and a C is an expanding flat, and A, B, C here as well. And then 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. So this bullish scenario here gives also a higher possibility as well for the short-term bearish, which it can be, of course, this double 1, 2 that we are looking for. And I said that, okay, we might see 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5, hitting around the 70,000, 77,000, and closing the CME gap without the invalidation, of course, of this impulse, right? Without the invalidation, I mean, now you are in the yellow count. So your invalidation is even lower, 65,000. So I believe that this is a perfect scenario to close the CME gap and that you are still bullish. Invalidation of a bullish here, yeah, at 65K. Yeah, imagine like the price has to move down to the 65,000 to say that we are bearish, yeah. But we can say we are short-term bearish here for this wave 4 in case this wave 4 is gonna unfold deeper. It is very possible, by the way. And if we take here the fib level taken from the top for a wave 4, we can see, of course, that here we go. The perfect fib level, I mean, for a wave 4 can be the 0.23, but this one is already hit. So wave 4 and an impulse, this one is already hit several times even. So if we want to move higher, okay, then we have hit it, but it doesn't look like we are moving higher, right? So it looks like it is looking for the lower one, which is a 0.38 at around the 82,000, which it can close directly the CME gap with it at 77,000. It can go a little bit deeper, 77,000, and then moving again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to finish a wave 5, finishing bull run, and then moving down. And that would be also a perfect scenario for the parabolic study that we see every time in our deep analysis. If you remember, I told you this bull run is finishing very fast, faster than the previous one. Yeah. So I mean, at least it's gonna need more time. I think a little bit to finish this wave 5 and 4, 5, and this might be, of course, like, yeah, okay, this might be the trick: A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And it's in that way it will finish okay even before this one, but at least not like this, not like triple times. Yeah. So that is a good thing. I mean, I see that okay, now I start to see something much more convincing about this, and that it might be the thing here. Yeah, so that we might still be in a bullish scenario after just a deep wave for wave 4 and then wave 5, finishing this bull run as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Very perfect impulse towards the upside. Yeah, so let's move to the 1 hour chart to see quick what is gonna happen. So I think, yeah, we're still moving towards the downside, of course. And I think that it might be, yeah, for now, it might be a little bit slow here, but it might, of course, continue at any time. The things can turn, of course, that a wave 2, a bigger wave 2 is unfolding. So be careful from it as well. Like wave 2 can be here, meaning this wave 2 can be a 1, A, B, and a C. Because right now, you have still 3 waves up, and if this is an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, yesterday I told you the 1 to 1 fib level and the invalidation point is exactly here. And look what happened. Exactly in between. It did not invalidate and it just hit the 1 to 1 fib level. Crazy. But yeah, I still feel like, okay, 1, 2, 3, if this is a wave 4, it did not invalidate the impulse yet. So the chances are still there. But don't forget as well that the time for wave 2, now the wave 4 became very, very huge for a wave 2. Okay, so invalidation is a little bit close, yeah, regarding the time. It's more than 6, 7 times, yeah, the wave 4 now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 becomes a little bit, yeah, far. But what I see, it can be an ABC and then another ABC and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Wave C towards the upside, finishing again a wave 2. Yeah, so it can be the scenario where you still, of course, get one more wave up for wave 2, hitting the 0.78, and 1, 2, and then ABC for your wave 2, and then a continuation towards the downside. Because look at the momentum, yeah, the momentum is still giving time, yeah. I mean, if the momentum is like this, you have a wave 2. You can have very comfortably a wave 2 and then moving down from there. So that was it for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.